AI is not just changing the job.
The amount of computation necessary for AI is skyrocketing.
It's changing your health, your lifestyle, your relationship, and much more.
Half the development is going to be done by AI as opposed to people, and then that will just kind of increase from there.
2026 is the year either you use AI or stay behind the people who do. I'm Ajay and this is ThriveWing. We simplify AI growth and your personal transformation so that you can build the best version of yourself. Most people think AI is the future thing, but look around. AI is already here. Whether you talk about writing music, writing scripts, creating videos, your health, whenever you are walking, you record your data and AI is analyzing all those patterns. Even you would like to go for any educational system to appear for the exam, it's AI. You are applying for a job, only the AI tool are already analyzing your CVs without even reaching out to the HR team. That's what AI is coming. AI is everywhere. It's handling the customer services, it's working around you. The gap between someone who is using AI and who is not is already huge. And in 2026, if you are not using AI, then you are gonna fall behind in the queue. That's why I'm over here in this video. I'm gonna let you know how you can start using AI in your day-to-day life and can save hundreds of hours every month. We are gonna talk about the 5 areas where you can start using AI. You can use either more than one or even one area, and that's going to definitely help you out to use AI. These are the 5 areas where I would like to emphasize that you should start looking into, whether it's your productivity, health, career, creativity, or money. These areas are where the most use cases of AI are going to be. Very first, let's talk about the productivity. In terms of productivity, you can use AI as your own 24/7 hours available AI assistant that can help you to search any topic, that can help you to give recommendation, that can also help you to find the answers that you don't know, because it can search all over the world and over the entire web. It has been trained on trillions of tokens or the information about the books. It can help you to answer anything, even which is impossible to ask from a common man. So your daily planning, your emails writing, your song writing, or even taking some decisions, you can just do in 30 seconds. In one of my previous video, I already talked about that I do start planning my entire day every morning using ChatGPT. I simply write a prompt. I need to plan my day for today, and the most important tasks are these: how to manage my time, what to do, etc. It even gives you some additional information about that. Why don't you start it? Start it tomorrow morning and do let me how do you feel about it. In case guys, if you are here, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and also share this video with your friends and colleagues. This may help them out as well. The second point is about health and career. Like I mentioned, whenever you are applying for a job, your CV is first going through certain tools. That means there's an AI-based screening tool that is gonna match your CV with the JD, and then it checks the keywords. And if it passes that particular screening criteria, only then HR is gonna have a look. That's how the HR people are saving hundreds of hours without looking into your CVs. And maybe this is one of the reasons you get the automated response when your CV is not getting selected. On the other hand, just think about that you are the person who would like to reduce fat, or maybe want to build some muscles, maybe want to just gain one healthy lifestyle. In that case also, you can ask these AI tools, hey, I would like to reduce 5 kg weight, which diet should I follow? You can even enter what are your specific criteria over there. Maybe you are sensitive to certain foods, or maybe you have some allergies, you have some health conditions. It's gonna plan your personalized meal plans without any coach. So it totally depends how you would like to ask. You simply need to know language, how to start using these tools. In our upcoming sessions, I'm gonna also create dedicated videos on each tools, that how do I use it personally and how you can use it. Also, we would talk about the prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is nothing but how to write certain things in the prompt box where any AI tools, for example, ChatGPT, you would find the tool over there and it's gonna ask you that, okay, tell me what do you want to do, and then you type your question like you're writing a text to your friend and it's going to give you answer. But this can be optimized. That means there's always a better way to write it to get certain information. That is your prompt engineering. Moving to the part where we talked about the creativity and money. Creativity, for example, like I told you previously as well, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator, and for that I need to create my thumbnails. I need to remove the background from my photos. I need to enhance photos, etc. For that, you can use canvas.ai. If you are creating certain videos, you can use the Sora. If you want to edit the videos, you can use Runway. And if you would like to write a book or you want to write scripts, then you can use the ChatGPT. In many areas where you are working on your creativity, then it's limitless possibilities. Yes, there's always certain considerations as well, but the best part is that you can do it and save hundreds of hours rather than doing those things manually. There's one more area which is, I believe, the most important, and that is the money part or the financial part. You can use these AI tools to generate money, and you must be wondering how. Using these tools, you can create your own AI avatar. You don't have to come on in front of the camera. You can use your own AI voice and AI avatar that's gonna do everything for you. For example, you use one tool like ChatGPT to create a script. You use another tool to create a video, for example, maybe Sora or something else. You use another AI tool to edit your videos like Runway, etc. And then you create your content and can publish it on a website. You can even use AI tools like Lovable AI to create your own website. Over here, if I'm gonna show you this website, which is our ThriveWing website, this website I created in less than an hour using this AI tool. And you see, it's very clean, neat, and specific. You would get everything over there. So please do check that out. Also do check that out, our YouTube channel, subscribe it, like it, and we are ready to hear from you. So the people who know how to use these AI tools are going to thrive in the future rather than the people who are still struggling. And if you are one of those who really would like to learn, then this channel is best for you. So don't forget to subscribe it, do share with your friends and colleagues, and do let us know what do you think about it. If you want us to improve anything or to create more content, please stay connected with us. I wanted to highlight is about a secret that you don't want to miss. So in order to stay ahead from anyone else, you don't have to be technical. You don't need to have a lot of money, or you don't have to have a lots of time. What you need is a guided path. You need to know which tool to use for what kind of purpose, and that's it. In your less than 1/4 of time, you can do a lot more. And the great part is most of these tools are free. There are always a free version or at least a trial version. So start using now. You can Google these tools and you can easily get it. If you don't know, please do leave a comment in the comment section so that I can make a dedicated videos on that too. The only thing that you need is about the curiosity. That means willingness to learn something or to know something, and your consistency. If you have these two skills, nobody can stop you to get successful in your career or in your life. You can thrive in your life with all the knowledge you are going to gain. Now, here's the 3-step action plan for you, which is really important. First, pick one daily use case. For example, like I said, I do plan my day, but you can also talk about anything else that you would like to do. Secondly, use 2 tools only. You don't have to go for a lot of tools. For example, you can use Claude or Claude tool for your PPT generation. You can use ChatGPT for scripts or talking to like a friend or generating your plans or health coach, etc. And then You can use Canva AI for generating your thumbnails or editing certain photos, etc., or maybe printing cards. Now, once you do this, then you have to do one more part, which is the step number 3. That means automate one thing every morning. ChatGPT or OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini, etc., all have their agents, but that is the next level thing which we are going to discuss later. So you can start automating, or you can start asking that how to do that. Maybe that's going to be even better for you, but we will also go through them in our upcoming videos. When you are going to start using these tools consistently, you would see that you are going to become natural, and then you don't need help from anyone, but you are going to help others, and you are going to become so efficient that nobody can stop to thrive in your career or in your life. The future is evolution. AI isn't about technology, it's about evolution. It's the next step in human capability. What human couldn't achieve so far, AI can do that. Those who partner with AI will live in a completely different life. That means those who are going to start using AI can save hundreds of hours, can earn enough money, can gain a lot of knowledge around the world, and can thrive in their life. Join the ThriveWing, and also do share with your friends and colleagues. Once again, I'm Ajay, and this is ThriveWing, and I'm going to see you in our next video.